Keep moving.
Oo. Hindi kami uuwi agad, wala kami huli, wala kaming kakainin. Yung mga digi-digi na pinagagawa, dalawa yung digi na sira, kaya konti ulan baha.
Substandard na naman yung Caloocan. Sa atin mga pasilumenso niya. Hindi ako nakatulog ng ganun kaaga. Tayo, sukali dyan tayong 2. Nasaan na yung 2-4? Make mapping nila, 246.
24 hours pala to.
Oo. Minsan niya ko yung sini, oh.
Ano yan?
Dati may sinihan dyan na yan. Tesla na.
Tesla.
May sinihan doon sa sinihan.
Please move forward to the next order. Please move forward to the next.
Senior coffee?
Two senior
Gusto
coffee,
mong
any
sugar? Yeah. 1 cream, 1 sugar inside
Okay.
for both. Okay. And give me the $6 egg McMuffin.
That's 2 for 6?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's it.
Second window, thank you.
Talagang nanira.
Nanira na.
Yung pungin ng bagyo yun. Eh, doble. Puta ka na. May monsoon. Tapos bagyo. High tide. Mabuti nga walang earthquake. Puta ka na ako nag-earthquake.
Kailan pa ginagamit senior mo? Matagal na.
Oo. Ano?
Cup holder?
Ah, no, we're good.
One, two.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Araw, trabaho ko sa Delta ko.
I'm sorry.
Thanks. Seal Beach, Huntington, wag lang dito. Diri-diri. 148.
Ilang oras?
Oras diba? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 10 hours. Your lights along.
Pink or... Ibang bangka pa rin sasakyan natin.
Oo. Believe ko rin sa iba't ibang sports. Ang dami-dami ng iba't ibang mga magbante pa mga tao.
Ito na, no?
Ito yung parang pass natin.
Finally, we don't have any alcohol. When I bring home beer to a bar, same thing applies here. Okay.
Saan tayo? Siguro ilang oras din lang yung
You guys bored? Don't forget, again, we'll make it a big deal, you know. Other than that, once you guys get settled in there, put your rods in the rod racks, tackle in the tackle racks. Please go see either me or Cameron. We're going to be downstairs signing everyone in. Everyone does need to get signed in. Say please if you're not fishing. So even if you're not fishing, please come down to the galley. I need everyone's name on the secondary master. You guys don't have a little number. Other than that, once you guys get settled in there, please rods in the rod racks, tackle in the tackle racks.
Thank you.
Or Cameron, we're going to be downstairs signing everyone in. Everyone does need to get signed in. Say please if you're not fishing. So even if you're not fishing, please come down to the galley. I need everyone's name on the secondary master. You guys don't have a little number. By the time we leave the harbor, please come see us in the galley. Other than that, please watch the step on the way down. It is a little bit slippery today. Thank you guys.
Kaya maglapag tayo ng gamit dito, pwede yan, oh. Di ba mahulog to eh? Yep. Ayan, pwede tayo dito sa taas, oh. Ito na yung meron daw night eh, meron yung gabi.
Yung isa naman, puno na itong bangka. Dami ng tao.
Everything else in this absolutely no way for the trip today. So I really apologize for the inconvenience. I thought it was a minor issue this morning, which we fixed, but it's snowballed into a much bigger issue. So I'm going to call the office, make sure you guys get fully refunded. I sincerely apologize. I've been doing this a long time.
Through the water line.
Things like this happen.
Towards the whole ship.
So we're not even going to pay. I apologize. Take that work, take those work to go fishing. I know we have some afternoon half-day trips that leave like around 12.
Kaya pa tayo,
That could be an option, but we're heading back to the dock right now.
Head back to the dock and we're done.
Ito na, huli ko. From Bay. Cancel eh. Gagalaw pa oh.
Bait. Moving.
Tara, dito. Sinugod ba? Saging. Para ano na lang to lahat dito. Yung bagalaw pa oh. Lagyan natin ng yelo. Okay na yan. Tindigan natin. Tindigan na to. Balik na kami. Ito lang. May pan po kami. Kaming.
Nakalimutan yung cellphone. Tangin na ilang oras lang. 5 oras. Wala pa.
Ay, matagal na kasi sa'yo. Mababa na yung battery lifespan niya.